Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you a major flaw in almost all of the Ender 3D printers. You're looking at it right now. The screw on the top turns when you turn the dial at the bottom. If you watch, you'll see it. See? The screw turns. It doesn't matter if you have it tight or not, it'll still turn. This one I don't think turns. It may. No, it turns too. And if you look at the third one, where it's held on, you can see that it will turn as well. Even with a glass bed on top of it, it will still turn. I'll wait till I get it focused on this one, and we'll go into it. Okay, this is the last one. It turns too. I do believe I missed the third one at the top. Maybe not. I must have missed it, but it turns too. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. There must be a solution.